Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 25th of June 2024. The day is Tuesday, the second trading day of the week. A lot of price action here today. A brief introduction of myself first. I'm a Dukas Copy trading community member. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm not their employee. I'm an independent trader and analyst. You can watch this webinar with the mindset that this is not coming from Dukas Copy Bank. Okay, I'm just using their YouTube platform to showcase my trading ideas, how I mark the key levels. So in next few minutes, we'll be marking the key levels for all the instruments that we see, and we'll see how we can use those key levels into our trading setups. Now, as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already on the chart. So we'll not talk about any news or events or something, okay? For the analysis purpose, we will be using the candlestick type of charts. And with the help of those candlesticks, we will try to find out the key levels that I was talking about. Now, I request you to please ask questions so that we can make it more interactive. And in case this is, in case you are thinking that I will use these trading ideas into your trading, I think that you should not do. If you are doing it with the real money, you should not do it. Okay, you should do your own research before you put your real money on the line. Whereas if you want to try it on the demo, you are most welcome. Okay, so before we begin, let me take you through the risk disclaimer, because we are talking about the currency exchange and it involves a substantial amount of risk because the margin is involved in this. All right, so I think you have gone through the standard risk disclaimer, so let's hop on to the charts. So first things first, this is the US dollar index right now on your screen. Guys, what is dollar index doing? Right now, dollar index is in an uptrend. It is making higher highs and higher lows. This here is expected to be a higher low, and I'm expecting the price to go higher. Where higher? Higher than 105.61. Actually, 105.61 is the first target. After that, I'm expecting it to go to 106.35. Now, if I remove these, you will be able to see the candle screen clearly. This line that I have directed here is the high that the price made here. Now that is acting as an order block, and the price is trying to reverse from there. You see, it is clear, it is evident from that. Now that means that higher prices are on the charts. Higher level is this one. After that, it is 106.35. So clearly we have an uptrend in the US dollar, right? So we know that there is an uptrend in this one. So let's talk about the other pair, that is pound. When it is paired with the US dollar, we can see that there are lower highs and lower lows being formed in the GBP USD. So we can expect a lower low again in this one. So this may be rendered as a recent high, provided the price breaks through 1.2621. So for our understanding, the target on the downside for the pound is 1.26218. Whereas in case it decides, okay, I want to go up, then it has to break through 1.2739 for us to become buyers. Till the time it is not breaking 1.2739 on the upside, we cannot be buying the pound against the US dollar. So keep that in mind, please. What about the euro? Euro is in a dilemma where it wants to go. It wants to go lower, it wants to go higher. Well, after making this move, it has gone into a consolidation. This consolidation may continue before it makes its move, but I'm thinking that in the longer term it will go higher. This is my personal opinion, but as such, price action is not suggesting anything. But you can say yes, on the downside there is a support around 1.0649, and if you ask me where is the resistance, then it is very far, 1.0852. Talking about the Australian dollar, it has also, after this leg up, it has gone into consolidation. So till the time there is a consolidation, I think we should not operate, or if you want to operate in these market conditions, then you should look for intraday price action. Intraday price action, when the price meets this lower line, you can look for buy with a small stop loss and small take profit target, like that. Talking about the New Zealand dollar, I am expecting lower prices, at least to this area, from where I am expecting the buying to emerge. Actually, it's like the similar case like the US dollar, like, okay, just like that. So this is what I am expecting here, the price to drop here and then go up. So in case it drops below, then this level of 0.606162 area should act as a support, and the resistance will be, the first resistance will be this high of 0.6222. So that will be my target. So you see, if you buy here and keep a small stop loss below, then you can target and make good risk to reward. Talking about a USD CHF, we are sellers in this one till the time the price is trading below 0.8993. We will buy this market only and only above 0.8993. So if we buy it, we will buy it like this at a retracement. That means once the price breaks and closes higher than 0.8993, when it comes back to that area, test it as a fresh support, then only we will open a position in the Y direction with the target of 0.9159 on the upside. So today we could not witness any particular market where we wanted to trade. All right, so here I think this is the market now which you want to buy. This is the USD CAD. Although these channels are not relevant now, but if you look at the price action, this rise and the 75% of that rise or 78% of that rise is acting as a good support. The price has gone in the middle of this yesterday's candle. I'm expecting it to go higher and break the daily market structure, but I'm sure that on the 4-hour it must have already broken the market structure because of this buying, I can tell you. See, so after it has given a close higher than this red candle, this red candle's opening will be acting as a support. Now for those who are not aware of this fact, this is something new that they have learned. Yes, so the open of this red candle will act as a support, and you can see that, and it will keep acting as a support till the time the price doesn't break downside this one. Now okay, so expect the price to keep rising here and break eventually this high, which is the downtrending. Move this now, and I will keep this as the resistance. Now once the price breaks above 1.3709 on the daily, you can start looking for buying opportunities in this one. Although we are already looking for the buying opportunities above this 1.3603, but today we have seen a lot of buying here. So if the price closes here around 1.3660, we can see higher prices tomorrow and maybe for the rest of the entire week. The resistance being 1.3709, above which there will be a lot of buying again. USD JPY, although it looks very bullish, but I'm not willing to buy it below 160.20. Why? Because it's very close to the resistance, previous resistance, which pushed the prices back towards 151. So I don't want to take any undue risk here, because if I say buy here and the price goes back to 151.85, and of course I will keep stop loss if I buy, but I don't want to risk it here. 160.20 is very close. The risk to reward is not very beneficial here, so I'm just staying away from this market. Although there is a resistance at 160.20 and the support may be seen at the low of this particular candle, or at least 157.51. Talking about the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian, yes, the price is headed lower and it will keep going lower because it has broken the low of this candle also today, and that means 0.8297 is now exposed. A little pullback, and there is a possibility of fall further towards 0.8297. Bitcoin, a clean breakdown yesterday. The closing was not there, okay? The closing was higher. So from here, the price can go and retrace back some 60% of this move and then fall, or there is a possibility that the price will start falling from here and eventually go to 56,564. Although that is already exposed because the price has shown the willingness to go below. Brent, we are very bearish on the Brent. I am especially very bearish on the Brent. I am expecting that the higher market players, the bigger market players are building their short positions here, which is a 60% retracement of this fall. I'm expecting that this is what is happening and eventually the price will be dumped from here to the level of 76.66. That is what my expectation is. If you want to sell it here, you can keep your stop loss somewhere around 87.25. I think that will be a good stop loss. Gold, sell. We talked about this on Friday and on Monday, and now this is on Tuesday. If we close any day, any time below 2318, I think we will see 2287, and eventually we will also see 2146 if the price trades below this level. Japanese index, very clean uptrend. The resistance is 39344. Once that is taken out, then the upside is almost limited to 39,956 and thereafter this highest high. All right, I hope that makes clear. Euro JPY, it is also between two resistances and support, so I don't want to enter here. I just want to stay away from this market, guys. GBP AUD, a very clean breakout on the 4 hour, thereafter a pullback, boom, and a little bit more buying, clears the buy stops, and boom. So sorry, clear the buy stops, yes. So the point here is that the market is headed towards either this fair value gap, or maybe this fair value gap, or maybe this 1.9197, which I think it should not go, so I will just delete it. Yeah, we have a target on the upside now, 1.9236 exposed. Okay, support being 1.9091. That's CHF JPY consolidation. There's nothing here now. Now you can say CHF you should not be trading, nor selling, not buying. Okay, so just stay away from this market also. Although where is the support? If you ask me, why the polyline? Where should it pencil, right? So stay away from this. So support is here, resistance we are not aware, so stay away from this market, guys. That's it. AUD New Zealand, clean downtrend. Thereafter there is a market structure shift. Now I'm expecting the price to go below to the level of 1.0798 to give me an opportunity to go long in this beautiful market where the targets are around 1.1041. Whereas if you see that the price is reluctant to go down, but I'm expecting it to dip below before going high. So let's see how the things unfold in this market. The first level of resistance is at 1.0951 and the first level of support is around 1.0798. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me those questions and I'll be very happy to answer those questions for you. And if there is no question, then let me wrap it up for you by saying I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. See, guys, this is 25th of June, and just remember, you should not risk your entire capital on any single trade. You have to live another day to trade, so please do not blow off your accounts by risking more than 1%. 1% is optimum. If you risk 1%, you should aim for 3% at least. If your setup doesn't give you 3%, at least do not open a trade. There's no need to open a trade if the setup is not giving you 1:3. Okay, and you can adjust your position size in such a manner that even if your stop loss gets triggered, you should not lose more than 1%. That's all, guys, from my side. I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section after the video is published. And please, if you are new here, consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. We are here every day at 7:20 GMT. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.